just harvested my first squash. Summer squash. Feels real fuzzy. But it's nice. Probably should have harvested yesterday, but I think it's good. What a beauty. Can't wait to eat it tomorrow. This is the squash that I just harvested from outside, and I noticed I got 2 holes in it. So, not sure if this is gonna be good to eat, but I'm getting ready to cut into it to see what the damage is. I'm gonna just cut it here. It looks great. It looks real good in the inside. But look like something has definitely crawled in here and damaged. Yep, definitely. It's going to town right now. He just destroyed my squash. This end, I think it's still good to eat. But yeah, I'm just destroyed my squash. There's probably nothing wrong with this top part of it. But yeah, I'm disappointed. I probably should have, I don't know. Okay, so actually I did have 2 holes in my squash. So here's one worm and here's the other one. If this was last year, I would have really been so upset. Anybody have any advice on when to pick these? I thought I was picking it early enough, but I guess not. They beat me to the punch, but it's okay. I got more, hopefully that's gonna grow. And I'll just have to harvest them a lot sooner. This is my squash plant. I don't see any fruit growing from it anymore. So I'm not sure what that means. I don't know if I have some bugs in here that's eating it up. I'm sure that's what's going on because they were blooming and growing nicely. And all of a sudden, nothing. Anybody know what's going on and can give me any advice? Is this plant done or will I get any more blooms or what?